Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to e-file bail application, easy method. Start by gathering arrest info, ID, and court documents, then sign up on the court e-filing portal and confirm your email. Next, select the correct bail application form and read all form instructions carefully. Scan or photograph documents clearly, name files logically, and upload every item in the portal order. Finally, pay filing fees with a card and save confirmation. Gathering documents makes e-filing much faster and avoids rejection. Scan the arrest report, citation, and government ID at readable resolution and ensure pages are in order. Include proof of address and any bond agreements or affidavits the court expects. Label each file clearly so the clerk can identify items instantly. Keep original documents handy in case the court requests certified copies or in-person verification later. The filing process is straightforward when you follow each step carefully. Log into the court portal, choose the bail application workflow, and select the right jurisdiction and case type. Upload documents one by one, confirming file format and size before hitting submit. Enter payment details for the filing fee and wait for the system confirmation. Save or screenshot the confirmation receipt and note any next steps or hearing dates the portal provides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.